Oh my gosh. This is better than at the Denny's.
Hold on.
I think
It's only
wait.
50 cents. There you go. There's $2.
I think late. Call.
Okay.
Why it's not Denny's or anything.
So if you get the big loose one. Two. See how many times you pour grabs. Try grabs every 4. 3. Oh, maybe not.
Fall. Yep. Now.
You actually had the Tabasco thing last time too.
But I'm losing. Oh my God!
Okay.
Oh my God!
All is good in the world. It flopped in. How about
Mousy. What the?
Are they Unikitty?
No, I don't think so. I don't think
What
so.
are you gonna try for?
That little pink mouse.
I don't see the pink mouse. Oh, right there. Oh, it's a. Well, let's see. Maybe it'll grab it. Maybe it'll grab it. Maybe it'll grab it. Oh.
Oh, no.
Yeah, try it.
Pink mouse, Lily.
2. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Maybe, maybe.
Pink mouse for Ozzy! Elaine! These are my cousin's cat's name. Ozzy and Lane. Basically, like, my cousin's cat's names.
You have $2 more after this. What are you trying for? Oh. Want to get the guy behind it, the pink thing behind him? That might be better. Ooh, too tight. Frog or
The pink elephant, Lily.
pink elephant? What are you even drinking?
Look. Over there.
Oh, loosened it up.
Nest. Not yet.
Okay. Get him, get him, get him, get him, get him. Oh, man.
No.
Yeah, it's gonna be a tough one. I don't know what to grab it by, but oh, that might be. Oh, now the double prizes is blowing it for you. Oh, that might get it right in his head. Ooh. Keep that one. That's a good grab. There's one more. I think there's one more.
No.
This is 4. Grab tight. Give it up. Let's grab our 2 toys.
Yep.
Pretty good though.
We got the unicorn and the mouse for Ozzy.
Yes.
We got the unicorn and the mouse for Ozzy. Remember, do this, everybody.
Mm-hmm.